Hazrat Abu Waqid Laythi radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam was sitting in the mosque and the companions radiyallahu anhum were sitting with him when three people came. Two of them went towards Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam and one of them went back. They both kept standing beside Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. One of the two saw some room inside in the circle and so sat down there, whereas the other one sat behind the people, and the third one turned his back and went away. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam got free, he sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam said, "Shouldn't I tell you something about those three men? One of them took refuge in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, so Allah Jalla Jalaluhu granted him the refuge, accommodated him. The second one felt shy. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu as well will desist from avoiding him torment. And the third one showed avoidance, so Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will avoid showing mercy to him." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5645.